In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can remove a password from a PDF file on Windows 11 in a very simple and safe way without using any paid software. And even if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to follow along easily. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So, to get started, locate the PDF file on your computer that is password protected, then right-click on it and open it using Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any modern web browser, because all of them have a built-in PDF reader. You can also use Adobe Acrobat Reader if you prefer, but a browser works perfectly fine for this method. Once the PDF opens, it will ask you to enter the password, so carefully type in the correct password and click on Open or Submit to unlock the file. After the PDF is fully opened and you can see all the pages, the next step is to open the Print option. You can do this very easily by pressing Ctrl-P on your keyboard or by clicking on Print icon in the top right corner of the browser. When the print window opens, do not worry about printing anything on paper because we are not going to use a printer. Instead, look for the Destination or Printer option, and from there select Save as PDF or Print to PDF, depending on what your browser shows. This option allows us to create a new PDF file from the already unlocked document. Once you select Save as PDF, click on the Print or Save button, and Windows will ask you where you want to save the new file. Choose a location like your desktop or Documents folder so you can find it easily. Then give the file a new name so you can recognize it, and click Save. Now the important part is done. When the file finishes saving, go to the location where you saved it and open the new PDF file. You will notice that this time it opens instantly without asking for any password at all, which means the password has been successfully removed. This new PDF is now unlocked and you can open it, share it, or use it anytime without entering a password again. That's all there is to it, and as you can see, the process is very easy, quick, and beginner-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple and useful PDF tips like this.